everyone. Today I am going to discuss about what are the uses, what are the available tags on HTML elements. For example, so form is a define the HTML form user input, and next one is a input is a define the input control. Text area defined to the multiple line of statements. If you want to for example, customer need to enter the multiple line, right? The multiple line of text in the UI part that's needed to text area. Next one is a label, so user identification statement, and next one is a field state. You have to group up the element within the single field set. That's why using the field set. Legend, define the caption of the field set. You have to put what are the field, some field set, right? The field set have need to identifications. Will look like label, have some information to relevant to field set. And select, define the drop down. You have to, if you are down or up arrow, use scroll down. In the cases, use to select. Next one is option group. So define the group of related options. So drop down list, how to select multiple selection, that the cases used. Right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video.